Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Pet Parade. I can't remember what one it is, so you're gonna have to forgive me on that. But I thought I would do something a bit different today. And you know how like Stampy and Squishy have like a Feather Friends pond in a lovely garden. I thought I would have the Goblet of Fire. I was looking at pictures. I tried to find a picture of. Well, I found a picture. It had Dumbledore in it. I don't want to put Dumbledore in it because it's mine. And I'm gonna add people's names, or like people. So no, oh my god, 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 oh my god. What am I doing? Oh my god. This better all go away. Go on. I know you want to go. Go. God. Why did I even do that? Oh god. Oh, now it's going in there. That's good. Okay. Wait, is my bow? Wait, I'm gonna just move this down a bit. Sorry, guys. So you can actually see my beautiful bow. Because apparently... do I have any other arrows? No, apparently I don't. But I thought I would do like a little meet my pets. But I thought I would add a name to the pond anyway. The thing. The Goblet of Fire. I think it turned out really successful. So the first row is going to be right here. So sorry for coughing, I'm unwell. I don't think I've made a video. No, I haven't, so I've had to explain this because I've made many videos, but decided that I didn't want to upload them. Yeah. Sorry about all the coughing and stuff. So I'm going to add Frank. I can't even spell today. Frankie, and 122. 22. So if you don't know who that is, you need to go and check out my videos. You obviously clearly don't watch my videos as much as you should. Now, if you have watched one of my old videos, oh, I need to put sign up here saying Eva's. I just had ice cream, by the way. It was really nice. House. Heart. I need to do a heart. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys I got a new doggy. His name is AJ. Not Animal Jam. His name is just AJ. I love him. I love him so much, but I'm gonna get him a new collar because I don't want him to have a red collar. I want him to have a black collar. So there you are, AJ. I just want to give you a small tour. I have loads of stuff in here. Don't ask why. I can dump these probably. Dump. They'll despawn eventually. Anyway. I fell down a hole. Anyway, I thought I would do a Meet My Pets video in this. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers if my stupid phone does not, like, turn itself off while I'm trying to record. I promise that there will be a new, in real life, Ariel? I don't know, I can't say it properly. In real life, Meet My Pets video very, 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 very soon. I just have to get my phone to work, and it should work, guys. Let's cross our fingers. So I'm going to first start off with these 4 little dog houses that I made. So let's start off with the longest one. And then the signs of who my pets are. In here we have Ori, Cleo, Pop, Cakey, and Icy. They have a very nice long house, so that's why there's several of them. And if you're wondering why AJ isn't in here, I just wanted a company in there because, you know, my birds kind of died. Then we go in here. I need to add Stella's name onto that. So here's Stella. I love her so much. She needs to come live with me. And lime. Baby puppy. Oh my god, thank you, baby puppy. Oh my god, I need a baby. No. No growing up. Anyway. Oh, and we have Lime and Buddy. Now these are mums and dads, so that's cool. But I need to move Stella out with the baby into my house. Sorry, Lyman, buddy. I'll get you a new friend. Rose, Lola, and Patches. I know I spelled Patches wrong. You don't need to correct me in the comments. Wait, does Patches actually have a purple collar? Yes, she actually does. Wow. I'm not doing tilt because I can't be bothered. In here we've got the Hot Choco Squad. I love these guys. So we got marshmallow, milk, and cocoa. So cute. And that looks like ice cream, strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Why didn't I? I'm pretty sure I have 2 cocos as well. I have cocoa and then cocoa with an A at the end. It's weird. In here is my doggies. Hello, little big doggies. I have so many. I really do have loads of people. People? Dogs. So, we have Bramble and Evie and Jones. Why did I not name one Mal? Then we got Hoppy, Will, Max, Luna, Waffles, Coco, Misty. I love Misty. She needs to come live with me as well. Maisie, Casper, Callie, and Mossy. And then we've got Bob, Bob Jr., Bob Sr., Bob, everyone. Yeah. I have several bunnies. I don't have a horse, unfortunately. I don't know what we're gonna do in this episode. There's all my bunnies. Well, I'm gonna show you something funny. So in here, I call it the monster house. Where did that Enderman go? He was definitely welcome. Oh, did they die? Because of how light it is? Does it need to be darker? Comment down below if you know why my skeletons disappeared. Did they despawn? They despawned. Anyway, this isn't my bedroom anymore, my house. This is my beautiful little house. Hi, AJ. We're gonna have a new friend. I just got the clownfish. I picked up the fish. I wasn't meant to. I just want to get rid of that. Did one of them despawn? Or did it go back in their chest? Nope. One of them despawned. That's great. Ow. I've got an itchy hand. I don't know why. Okay. So, I'm basically all my pets because I don't really have any other pets. I had birds, but they kind of died. So, yeah. And also, if you want to be added to my Goblet of Fire, which doesn't even look like the Goblet of Fire, then tell me in the comments below. And also tell me your favourite username, your favourite Harry Potter film, if you've even seen any of them. Or if you haven't seen any of them, just tell me your favourite book and that. That was my phone, I believe. My phone just beeped. What? Never mind, it's nothing interesting. I should do like a what's on my phone. Because technically half of it isn't mine. Because my dad got a new phone and then he gave me his old phone. So okay, sorry. I was reading. That's why I didn't. Okay, anyway. If you want to be added to the Goblet of Fire, then definitely also you don't have to jump in. You don't have to jump in. And there's no tournaments like there is in the movies, films. No tournaments, thanks. Yay, no tournament. Woohoo! Also, tell me if you want to see a new series on my channel. Then also, I think next year for Christmas, I'm going to ask for The Sims 4, and I really want to get it so I can do some Sims videos. That would be great. I'm sure you guys would really like that, but I might not get it, so okay, I hope so, please. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be the end of the episode or if I'm going to show you something. I might actually show you something, guys, because I want to show you guys that I have made Disney Descendants Hangout, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to show you my horsey barn. Now, I tried to make a video of me making this. It wasn't that it didn't turn up well. You may or may not have gotten a fake notification saying, oh, Eva uploaded this, but she didn't actually. Here are all of my horses. I'm going to be adding little stable people. There's going to be someone looking at Coco, someone looking at Freckles, and someone looking at Midnight. They're all thinking about riding them. Also, these are my two horses, Oak and Snowy. Here's my tack room. It's kind of a terrible tack room. Unfortunately, I couldn't really do arrows. Can you tell me, guys, can you tell me how to do arrows down and up? I don't know. So, sorry. We got Oak saddle, Snowy saddle. There's probably gonna be like foods in here as well, not just for the horses, but also for me. Why does it? I'm gonna introduce you to all of the horses. So we have Coco, Choco. We have. Oh, so this is. So you would get your horse like this, and then you would put it there. But I'm not gonna do that because that was mean. And then we have Buddy and Cole. Then we have Midnight. We got Zoe and Pepper. We have Freckles. I know I might have spelt that wrong, but I probably, hopefully didn't. We got Gigi, and we also got Spot. Then we've got Snowy and Oak. They're my horses here. I don't know if I'm going to have any more things. Before this episode ends, I'm going to go back onto Pet Parade. The funny thing is it's just called Housey. It's not really called Pet Parade, but this series is Pet Parade. I'm going to add another doggy. I'm really excited about this because I've been wanting to add a new doggy and call it this for ages. I'm going to add it into the girls' room. Hey, gals. Not sheep. Wolf. And we got to get some bones as well. Got to get you. I'm going to be naming it. Ah! No! No! What? No! Get, no! What? Where's the sheep? What? Thank you. They've been spawning inside my tree. Thank you, doggo. You're gonna be my guard dog. Oh, sorry, I just showed my thing. Okay, come on, Lexi. Lexi, wait. Yes, I'm naming it Lexi. I'm naming it Lexi because Lexi is like a really cute name. Bloop. Lexi. Oh my gosh, Lexi. Oh my gosh, I love that name so much. What's that? Lexi Milk Marshmallow. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite dog is. Lexi's my favorite because she literally just killed a bunch of things. That's why she went hostile. I don't blame her. Did I get some? Yes, I got some gunpowder. That'll be good. I'm just gonna make this chunk of the tree glowstone so that mobs don't spawn in there. I'm gonna keep this out. And yeah, come on, Lexi, come on. Okay, yeah, bye.